Again, welcome to another lecture on Java programming. In this video, we will install Java. To install Java, we have to first download JDK, that is Java Development Kit in our local machine. So, what is a JDK? We have already discussed. It is a software environment in which we run our Java program. So, we have some compiler, we have debugger inside JDK, and then we will install IDE. What is an IDE? It is an integrated development environment. So it is a better version of text editor. There are so many different IDEs available in market like IntelliJ, Eclipse, VS Code. Okay, so we will use an IDE to write any code, any program from any programming language. It may be your Python, Java, C++, JavaScript. Okay, so any programming language we can easily write that program in our IDE. Now to install JDK, what we have to do, we will first download JDK from any web browser. Okay, so what the web browser we have so many web browsers. So I personally use Google Chrome, so I will open it. So just write Java download. Okay, and here we have in the first link, that is for Oracle, by Oracle. So go there, just click OK, and here we have the right now the current version of Java is Java 17. Okay, the version of Java frequently changes after 6 months. So if you want to download for Linux operating system, just download that RPM file. Okay, that RPMX package. For Mac operating system, just download the DMG file, that is 64 DMG installer. And for Windows, it is easy to install. Like just click on that link .dxe format, the 64 installer, and after that just wait for a few minutes when it will complete. Okay, so when it will download it, and then after we will just click on that button and we will see in the folder. So I have a different version of Java, so probably you have downloaded this version. Okay, so now right now click on there and you have installed the Java JDK, and let me tell you through our presentation. Okay, so what we have to do and where you have to click, and when we will you will click on that JDK and you're gonna start installing. So it will show you this kind of window. Okay, and after that, and there just click on the next button. Okay, and here, and then you will see it is saying that where you want to install JDK, that is the path. So generally it is installed in C drive. Okay, and where the program files, and after a folder name is Java, and there is JDK. Okay, also you can change a custom path for that. So right now just click on next button, and here you can see the status, and when it will complete, so there you can see that there is a next step. So if you want to learn the tutorials and also the API documentation, just click on next button. Otherwise just click on the close. Okay, so you have successfully downloaded and installed JDK right now. Now what is the next step we will do? So we will set up some environment variables. Okay, and where we can run our Java program from anywhere folder from any file system. So first open file where we have downloaded or installed, sorry, where we have installed our uh, Java, that is a JDK. So for that, just open my file. Okay, so just open my file. So go on this PC, and in C drive, we already know that where we have download our, sorry, install our Java. So in program files, go on Java folder, and here just go on the JDK you have installed. So since you are installed the current version at the March 2022, the current version is 17. Since I have already installed another version, that is Java 8. Okay, so I'm just gonna click there, don't worry about the version, just follow the path and just click on bin, and here click on this link and copy the path. See program files Java JDK, then Java JDK version, and then bin. And now what is the next step? So after successfully copy, just okay, so just click a right click and here just copy. So you have successfully copied the uh, path. Right now what you have to do, you have to just search edit system environment, okay, or the system variables. So just click on edit the system environment, and here you can see there is a button for environment variables. Just click on there, and now you can see uh, there are two types of variables here. First is user variables for user, another is system variables. So just here you will scroll down, okay, so here you will find system variable, that is path. So what you have to do, you have to just click on that path variables and edit, okay, and just click on new, and here paste the path, that is your JDK where you have installed your JDK, and click on OK. So for me, since I have already installed and set up all the paths, so it is showing here that these things, okay, so you have to just click OK, and I'm not going to OK it, I'm just gonna cancel it. And right now the next step is that we have to use another, we have to add another environment variable called Java home, sorry. Okay, so for a software, some kind of software sometimes use this kind of Java environment variables to run Java program. So for that, just okay, so here click there, and for there just click on new, and please do write here the uh, variable name, that is Java home, okay, and just paste the path. Also you can directory sorry, you can go from here, so click on browse directory, sorry, click on browse directory, and here just go in this PC and local disk C, and where in the program files. So just scroll down, so here just go inside, and here you will find Java. So just click on Java. So right now click on JDK. Okay, so just click on JDK. Okay, don't worry to go in that bin, and click on OK. So this is your Java home variable, and just click on OK. Okay, and so I'm just clicking on cross because I have already yeah, the Java home variable. So right now you have successfully installed Java, and also you did the all the setup path setup. Just click on OK and click on OK. Now what you have to do, you have to check whether Java is in your computer or not. So for that, open command Chrome. So just use either a shortcut or just directly click on there. So since I can use there also, but I'm just telling you, just write CMD and click OK. So here what you have to do, you have to just write Java slash version. So here this is your Java version if you have successfully set up and installed JDK. Okay, so right now for me it is 1.80281, so it is Java version for me 8, so I'm using Java 8. And for you, since if you are using at this time, that is 15 March of 2022, so right now the current version of Java is Java 17. Maybe this version is different for you. Okay, so if this is your message inside your command prompt, that is everything is fine, you have successfully installed. And if it is showing this kind of message that Java is not recognized an internal or external command, that is, don't worry about that, you did some mistakes. Just go in a few minutes back and watch the video and install completely and did the path setup in right. Okay, and also thanks for watching. If you like the video on Java programming, so please do subscribe the channel.